Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P043E indicates that the reference pressure of the evaporative emission EVAP leak check module is low, which prompts the powertrain control module PCM to record an abnormality. On the other hand, DTC P043F signifies that this reference pressure is high, indicating another form of abnormality detected by the PCM. These diagnostic trouble codes are crucial for understanding the vehicle's emissions system, which is essential for meeting environmental regulations and ensuring optimal fuel efficiency. In the Honda CR-V, the EVAP system consists of components such as the EVAP leak check module, one-way valves, and tubes that work together to prevent fuel vapor from escaping into the atmosphere. A malfunction in this system can lead to increased emissions, affecting the vehicle's performance and legality. Safety measures must also be observed, as fuel vapors are flammable. Therefore, it's key to address these DTCs promptly to maintain both performance and compliance. In the Honda CR-V, the Evaporative Emission EVAP system includes various essential components that facilitate proper functioning and compliance with emission standards. The core element undergoing scrutiny with DTC's P043E and P043F is the EVAP leak check module, which is responsible for identifying leaks in the EVAP system. This module is typically located near the fuel tank or along the vacuum lines that connect to the canister. Another critical component is the canister one-way valve, which ensures that fuel vapors don't escape into the atmosphere. The drain tube is also significant, as it routes fuel vapors back into the engine for combustion, instead of allowing them to vent outside. The roles of these components are vital. A blockage in the drain tube or failure in the one-way valve could lead to erroneous pressure readings, triggering these codes. Hence, understanding the locations and roles of each component is crucial for effective problem solving. Several possible causes could trigger DTCs P043E and P043F, each stemming from issues in the evaporative emission system. The first potential culprit is low pressure in the EVAP leak check module, ELCM, which may indicate a loss of containment. Conversely, high pressure in the ELCM points to an obstruction or malfunction in the system. Additionally, blockages in the tubing associated with the EVAP system can significantly impact its efficiency and functionality, leading to erroneous pressure readings. A faulty canister one-way valve could also contribute, as it prevents the correct flow of vapors back into the engine, potentially raising pressure unnecessarily. Thus, identifying these concerns will help streamline the troubleshooting process and address the root of the problem effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC's P043E and P043F can manifest in various forms, affecting both the vehicle's performance and driver experience. One of the most immediate signs is the illumination of the dashboard warning light, which can be alarming for drivers. Poor fuel economy may also be a consequence, as the inefficiency in fuel vapor management can lead to excessive fuel use, impacting overall mileage. Furthermore, a vehicle may fail its emissions test due to increased emissions stemming from these DTCs, leading to potential legal issues. Unusual engine behavior, such as rough idling or unexpected stalls, might occur if the engine is attempting to compensate for the EVAP system's failures. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for diagnosing the issue and seeking timely repair. The first step in the troubleshooting process involves turning the vehicle to on mode. This mode is vital as it allows the diagnostic tools to access electronic systems, including the EVAP module. Following that, you should perform the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, EVAP Leak Check Module test. This test is conducted to determine if the leak check module is functioning correctly. If the test results indicate that the module is not functioning properly or is not okay, it suggests that there is a duplication of the failure, reinforcing the need for further inspection. Understanding how to properly use the HDS is key, as it facilitates accurate communication with the vehicle's onboard systems for effective troubleshooting. In the second troubleshooting step, you will disconnect the drain tube from the EVAP leak check module. This stage is crucial for isolating specific components of the EVAP system. After disconnecting the drain tube, you will connect a hose from the drain tube to the vacuum pump or gauge, such as the Snap-on YA4000B, which is commercially available. This setup allows you to apply pressure to the hose and subsequently conduct various tests to measure the operational integrity of the system. Monitoring the pressure during this stage is essential, as it helps assess whether the EVAP leak check module is capable of holding the requisite pressure. This procedure is foundational for determining if the abnormal pressure readings are attributable to blockages or failures within the EVAP system. The third step in the troubleshooting process involves reconnecting the hose to the canister one-way valve after previously testing the drain tube. This process is an extension of the analysis and is necessary for thoroughly evaluating each component in the EVAP system. After connecting the hose to the canister one-way valve, you will again attach the vacuum pump or gauge, applying pressure as in the previous step. This testing phase helps ascertain whether the canister one-way valve is functioning effectively. If the pressure does not hold during this test, it indicates an issue with the EVAP leak check module or the connected systems. This methodical approach to troubleshooting helps pinpoint specific failures, whether related to high pressure or blockages, thus guiding you toward an effective repair strategy. Final repair verification is essential once the troubleshooting and repair process has been completed. This verification ensures that the issues leading to DTCs P043E and P043F have been adequately addressed. First, confirm that all repairs have been completed successfully and that any faulty components, such as the EVAP leak check module or the canister one-way valve, have been replaced or repaired. Following this, run final diagnostics to verify that no further DTCs are present in the system. This thorough approach to verification is crucial for confirming that the EVAP system is operating correctly and that pressure is maintained within normal parameters. A successful verification also reinstates the vehicle's compliance with emission regulations, ensuring that the performance will meet expected standards moving forward. But to prevent the recurrence of DTCs P043E and P043F in the future, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule for the EVAP system is essential. Regular checks of the entire EVAP system, including the leak check module and canister, can help identify problems before they escalate. Moreover, periodically replacing filters, such as the EVAP canister filter, will ensure that the system operates efficiently and reduces the likelihood of blockages. Additionally, inspecting tubes and connections for wear or signs of leaks will help maintain system integrity. By fostering good maintenance habits, you can extend the lifespan of your vehicle's emission system while ensuring its performance remains optimal over time. In summary, understanding DTC's P043E and P043F is critical for maintaining the integrity of the Honda CR-V's EVAP system. These trouble codes indicate issues related to abnormal pressure readings, which can greatly affect emissions performance and overall vehicle functionality. Addressing these DTCs promptly is not only essential for compliance with environmental regulations, but also enhances the vehicle's efficiency through meticulous troubleshooting steps, including inspection of key components and using diagnostic tools like the HDS. Mechanics can identify the root causes effectively. Furthermore, regular maintenance routines can help prevent the recurrence of such issues, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Thus, taking a proactive approach in understanding and addressing these DTCs is vital for every vehicle owner. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!